Now, living is about making money. Now, living is about fighting for what you have. But honestly speaking, despite all, I'm lucky. I'm lucky that God made me weak so that I might learn humbly to obey. I'm lucky that I was born poor so that I might be wise. I'm lucky that I was given weakness so that I might feel the need for God. Above all, I was given life that I might enjoy all things. I got nothing that I asked for, but everything I hope for. I am among all men most richly blessed. This Christmas was meaningful because of my mom. What about you? Who made your Christmas meaningful?